Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. My name is Adam,
And I am Sarah.
and this is English Podcast Home. Today, we will practice slow, natural English for beginners.
Please listen carefully.
Repeat after us.
Practice again and again.
Speak slowly.
Speak clearly.
Let's begin. Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning, Adam. How are you today?
I am very good. I feel happy and fresh today. And you?
I am good too. I feel relaxed. I feel positive. Today is a beautiful day.
Yes, today is a new day. A new day means new opportunities.
That is right. Every morning is a fresh start. Good morning. How are you? I am good. I am happy. I feel fresh. Today is a new day. Again. Slowly. Clear voice. Good morning. I am fine. I feel relaxed. I am ready for the day. Today will be great. Again. Again. Again.
Sarah, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. I wake up early every day. What about you?
I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up early from Monday to Friday. On Sunday, I wake up late.
That sounds nice. Sunday is a rest day. I wake up at 6:30. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up early. I wake up late. I wake up every day. I wake up on Sunday. Now say, I wake up at blank. Say it 3 times. Again. Again. Again.
After I wake up, I wash my face, then I brush my teeth. After that, I take a shower.
Me too. First, I wash my face. Then, I brush my teeth carefully. I take a warm shower. I get ready for the day.
Do you take a cold shower?
No, I take a warm shower. Warm water makes me feel comfortable. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I take a warm shower. I get ready for the day. Speak clearly. Open your mouth. Slowly.
After my shower, I eat breakfast. Breakfast is very important.
Yes, breakfast gives us energy. What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and toast. I drink coffee. Sometimes I drink tea.
I eat eggs and fruit. I drink tea. Tea makes me feel calm.
I eat breakfast. I eat eggs. I eat toast. I drink tea. I drink coffee. Breakfast gives me energy. Now answer, what do you eat for breakfast? Say it in English, slowly, 3 times. After breakfast, I go to work.
How do you go to work?
I go by bus. The bus is fast and comfortable. It takes 20 minutes.
I go by car. It takes 30 minutes for me. Sometimes there is traffic.
Yes, traffic can be slow. I go to work. I go by bus. I go by car. It takes 20 minutes. It takes 30 minutes. There is traffic. Now say, it takes blank minutes. Practice again. Slow. natural. Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning, Adam.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30.
What do you do after you wake up?
I wash my face and brush my teeth.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and drink tea.
Great. That sounds healthy. Now you speak both roles. First, be Adam. Then be Sarah. Repeat the full conversation 2 times. Again. Slow. Natural. Morning. Afternoon. Evening. Night. Breakfast. Shower. Coffee. Tea. Early. Late. Work. Bus. Car. Happy. Fresh. Now make sentences. I wake up in the morning. I eat breakfast in the morning. I feel happy in the morning. I go to work in the afternoon. I wake up in the morning. I eat breakfast in the morning. I go to work in the afternoon. I relax in the evening. I sleep at night. Again. Slowly. Clearly. In the evening, I go home. In the evening, I eat dinner. In the evening, I spend time with my family. In the evening, I watch TV. Repeat. I go home in the evening. I eat dinner in the evening. I relax in the evening. Again. Again. At night, I feel tired. At night, I brush my teeth. At night, I go to bed. At night, I sleep. Repeat slowly. I brush my teeth at night. I go to bed at night. I sleep at night. Listen and repeat. I wake up in the morning. I eat breakfast in the morning. I go to work in the afternoon. I finish my work in the evening. I eat dinner in the evening. I go to bed at night. I sleep well at night. Now say the full paragraph without looking. Again. Slow. Natural. Clear voice. If you make a mistake, do not worry. It is okay to make mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. Try one more time. Speak with confidence. Believe in yourself. Again, from the beginning. I wake up in the morning. I eat breakfast in the morning. I go to work in the afternoon. I finish my work in the evening. I eat dinner in the evening. I go to bed at night. I sleep well at night. Very good. Now say it one more time. This time a little faster, but still clear, still natural. Now close your eyes. Imagine your day. Think about your morning. Think about your afternoon. Think about your evening. Think about your night. Now speak about your day in English. Say, in the morning, I blank. In the afternoon, I blank. In the evening, I blank. At night, I blank. Say it 3 times. Again. Again. Sarah, can you say your full day without looking?
Yes, I can try. In the morning, I wake up and eat breakfast. In the afternoon, I work. In the evening, I relax. At night, I sleep.
Very good, Sarah.
Thank you, Adam. Now you try.
In the morning, I wake up early. In the afternoon, I go to work. In the evening, I spend time with my family. At night, I go to bed and sleep.
Excellent. Now you try. B. Adam. Then B. Sarah. Repeat 2 times. Slow. Natural. Clear voice. Practice every day. Your English is improving, step by step.